Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable sending messages with the Enter key on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've been annoyed by pressing Enter and creating a new line instead of sending your message, this setting will fix that instantly. Let's jump right in. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A side menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Settings to open your Telegram settings panel. Now that you're in Settings, look for the option called Chat Settings. Click on it to access all the customization options related to your chats. Inside Chat Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Send with Enter. This is the feature that controls what happens when you press the Enter key while typing a message. Simply enable the Send with Enter option. Once it's turned on, pressing Enter will immediately send your message instead of adding a new line. And that's it. From now on, your messaging experience will be faster and more efficient.